Okay, we are totally heading outside because it is dark and gloomy today and it feels blah in the house and we need to get out. FYI, if I'm talking weird, it's because look. You can see. Let's see if I can focus. Anywho, I don't know if you can see that, but I have a canker sore the size of Texas and it is killing my mouth, so I'm probably like talking like this. We are going to go outside, play with bubbles, run around, get some fresh air. It's been raining, so it's going to feel good. Come with us.
Outside.
We're going to go outside because we are bored.
Mama, you
hey, Spidey.
got the bubbles. Hi. Mama, you got the bubbles.
Let's bring the bubbles out. Come on.
You need the bubbles?
Yes. Is it raining? Do you feel it? Take your hood off and feel it. If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, so what a world this would be. My mouth open wide. If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops.
Wait, my student. I'm gonna sing lo la 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 la, lo la 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 la, lo la.
He just made that up.
La la, lo la 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 la.
Good boys. Love you. So we got Spidey climbing around. What do you think? Where's the pool?
It's right there.
We need to go there in the summer, huh?
No. This is a no.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Do we need to go home now?
Yeah.
It's getting too rainy, huh? So we're gonna go back inside because it's getting a little too rainy and cold for us. We came out last week and took a little break with some fresh air. Like and subscribe to my channel. I'm hoping to do more videos of my family, of hobbies, schooling coming up. So check that out and I will see you guys later. Bye.
Let's go inside. Okay, Mommy? Let's go inside. I spell the boy.